everybody, and welcome to my video today. I have so much to share with you. We're going to make some cards today, and we're going to use this set right here, the Love You to Pieces stamp set, and then the coordinating die. But really quick, at the beginning of this video, let me go over everything that I'm giving away this month, because this month is a big celebration. Not only is it the beginning of a brand new catalog, but I am so excited that I earned the trip to Greece. That is the incentive trip that Stampin' Up! Is offering this year, and right at the end of May, the very last day, I earned it. And so I want to celebrate with you guys by giving back to you, because it's only because I have amazing customers that support me and an amazing team that supports me that I get to do these amazing things. So I thought this month would be the perfect month to celebrate with you guys and give back to you. So let's go through this really quick, and then we're going to jump in and make the cards. Okay, so for every $25 you spend, you get a sample pack of designer paper. So I have all of this designer paper that is stacking up in my craft room, and I thought, what better way to get it to a home where it'll be used than to give it away. So for every $25 you get a pack. I will make sure that you do not get multiple packs of the same unless your order is that big and I don't have enough variety, but I'm sure I have a ton of variety. This is only a little stack that I grabbed. So I will make sure that you have different packs, okay? So for every $25, that's just straight away you get that. You'll want to use the host code, and I'll put it in my information, okay? So that's $25. When you spend $50 with me, you're going to get the card kit and exclusive video to make this. Now, in the original video, I said that there was only going to be one card. I decided to make it two. So I decided that it'll be this purple, and then I'm going to do a blue one, because blue is the iconic color of the Greek islands. And so I thought it would be so fun. I thought, why didn't I do it blue to begin with? So with that thought, I decided, well, we'll do a purple one and we'll do a blue one. So you'll get two cards, two kits to make two cards. One will be purple, one will be blue, okay? So, and you'll have all the supplies to make this. It's a super fun card. It says, do something creative every single day. So you'll have that. That's $50. You use the host code. So $50, you're going to get 2 packs of DSP, and then you'll get 2 card kits and an exclusive video. When you spend $100 with me, you're going to get these brand new enamel glitter dots out of the catalog. You'll still get the card kits, you'll still get the designer paper, and then you're going to get this. And then I also have an exclusive class where you will be seeing how to create all 3 of these cards using the stamp set we're going to use today. So that's when you spend $100 with me. So I know it's a lot. I know there's a ton going on, but there's just lots of things to celebrate and be excited about this month. So today, let's jump into the cards that I'm going to make today. I want to show you these 2 first. So over on the global, it's called Global, I'll put the name up here somewhere because I don't remember right offhand. It's a challenge blog, and I used to do these challenges a lot more, and then I've just gotten busy. So the challenge is to use these colors. This is Real Red, Pumpkin Pie, and Rich Razzleberry. So the one I think that I'm going to enter is going to be this one right here. And then I did this one, and then we're going to put a card together using red and orange today. But these were so fun. I loved getting this set out and creating with it. I have a team event that I'm a part of, and I picked that stamp set to do all my displays with. So right now, the card that we're going to make, we are going to start with a Whisper White card base, and then, so this is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and it opens up like this. You're going to take a piece of Real Red, and you're going to cut 1/4 inch off that. So it's going to be 4 by 5 1/4. We're going to put this flat down. We're not popping it up. There's going to be some dimension to this card, so this layer will be okay. So now, then what we have is a piece of Whisper White that's going to layer on top of here, and I've just taken another 1/4 inch off. So we have our Whisper White piece here, and what we're going to do is from the stamp set, we're going to take the Thanks for Keeping Me Together. I'm going to use some VersaFine ink, and we're going to do our best to stamp this right in the middle. That's what I'm going for, is right smack dab in the middle. And I'm trying not to get my head right in the camera, so I hope everything lines up, and I hope it's in the middle. Okay, so the next thing that we've done is I've taken this die. So this die, at first I thought that it was just going to be one piece, that none of these pieces were going to come apart. But they do. They all come apart. So you get a whole bunch of these. In fact, because I've done so many of these cards, you can see that I have a ton of these in all these different colors, because what I'm using, you end up with more. So each of these, so that all comes apart, and then this heart piece also comes apart. And then there's this piece right here. So I did one with the heart when I was cutting for this one. So the way that I did these is I took one of our adhesive sheets. This comes in 12 by 12 sheets. I cut it down into 6 by 6. And what I did is I put this over some Whisper white paper, and then I did all of my pieces. So you can see this would be right in the middle. So I did all of my puzzle pieces, and then I cut out that heart. So that's how I did this one. And then with this one, I did the same thing where I did that adhesive sheet and I put all the pieces together, but then I just put it behind this heart that's popped up. So it's a little bit of work to do that, but it ends up looking really nice. So for this one, what I've done is I've taken these puzzle pieces and I've stacked 3 together. So they're a little bit thicker than just the designer paper, because this designer paper, it's going to be a little bit thinner because it's designer paper, right? So we're going to start by putting these in the corner, and these are just going to be flat. So I want to make sure I lay these puzzle pieces out how I want them, just to make sure, because I feel like I've already messed up. So I want one here, and then I want, see, I have. So this is just the fun part. We'll figure it out. So maybe orange here, red here, red here, and then orange here, red here. No, so that still does not work. Works like this. There we go. We've got it. No, it doesn't. Okay, were you guys yelling at me? Like, did you see it and I missed it? Okay, so that's how it's going to go. So what I want to do is make sure that I keep these in the right space. And this first one is going to be flat. And I just put these together by using my liquid glue. And this is going to give me these pieces a little bit thicker. So I want a little border left, a little white border, just like that. So then these two I want to pop up with dimensionals, and our dimensionals fit perfectly. And what I want is I don't want these pieces to fit right in with each other. I want there to be a little bit of a border. Because they're going to be popped up, and I think I'll put 2 on here. I think 2 will fit on this one. I think giving it a little bit of space and letting the white show through will be perfect. So I'm just giving it a little tiny bit of a white border, and then that's popped up, just like that. So then we'll do the same thing down here, and you could do this with any color. So you saw that I did the lighter kind of version, which is part of my class, the exclusive class this month. Those are done with really soft colors, but then I wanted to do something with really bold colors, and it was fun when I looked at the Global Design Challenge blog. They had bold colors, and I thought, well, that's perfect, because that's exactly what I'm wanting to do. Sometimes when I'm stuck for an idea, I like to just go onto a challenge blog that will have a sketch or a color combo, and then it's easy for me to get in and like start creating something. So same thing here. I'm leaving a little bit of a white border, and then we'll go right here. I hope I didn't mess this up. No, I didn't. Okay. Same thing right here. Okay, so now for this piece, I'm going to go ahead and leave flat, because that is quite a bit of dimension. You could pop this up if you wanted. Add this right in here so you can see the nice red border. Okay, we'll press that down. So there's just a couple more things I want to do. I'm trying to use up some embellishments that I've had sitting around. These are from the Occasions catalog, and they're the iridescent kind of clear circle and raindrop embellishments. So what I want to do is use that and put a couple of these on here. And then that is going to be our card for today. So the one that I did not do such a, I didn't do 2 borders. I just did the one. So you can see that. This I feel like pulls the puzzle pieces a little closer to that sentiment. And then the one that I'm going to enter into the challenge is going to be this one. And it has those iridescent dots on it as well. And then it also has that Wink Estella on the heart. And then there's this one right here. And then the sentiment is colored as well. So it rotates those colors. And I loved the sentiment here that said sending love. And that came from this stamp set right here. So that's, I think I had said in my haul video that one of the reasons I wanted this stamp, well, the only reason I wanted this stamp set was because of the sentiments, and this ended up being perfect. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these cards today. I loved making them. I love this set. I think it's going to be one that has lots of possibilities and that I use quite a bit. I will be back next week to share more with you guys. I hope you're having a fabulous Friday and a great start to your summer, and I will talk to you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.